van out. Doing some work on it today. As always, she is still ugly, but it's okay because we're got our down payment on the wrap and everything, so it's coming. We just got to clean up the truck itself. A little sanding and prepping for that, but we got front springs put in, so now the front sits pretty much where it should. Gotta do the back springs still. That's a chore, but it's coming. And we've been going slow on that because, boom, 80,000 watts, RMS, 40 banks of capacitors.
Not CMA?
Yeah, not peak power, that's RMS power right there. And these are super caps, these are not lithium. These are for burping. All the Sky High OC, we got some 2 watt now. Got our S&B fuse holders. 80,000 watts, no joke. We just gotta hook up speakers. Got our 4 DC-18s chilling. So you can tell there's a lot on this box needs done. We gotta round over the outside and keep testing. We gotta round over inside. We gotta shrink the box. We got more cabin things we gotta do, like the brace, all the fun stuff. But this is getting crazy guys. But we're gonna turn it around. We're gonna go ahead and start tuning the amps. We borrowed a fluke meter with the O-scope. Get this thing tuned up. Astro and bass on the move. Squeaky tire. Well, quick little update. We brought the van back to my place for a little bit more work. Did some more welding, patching, sanding, and we just gave it a bath. Did a little power wash to kind of get it prepped for the wrap. It is super duper ugly now, as always. You see paint's chipping off, but I blasted the shit out of it, sanded, try to get down to some solid paint so we could do our wrap. We swapped the door out because that old door was ripping up already. Hopefully this new door handles a little better. It's fresh. The other one had some issues, so I'm gonna put a lot of sound deadener in that one and do some more testing, and then it's gonna go in. Guys, we're gonna show you the wrap for the first time. Here it comes. Ooh, doggy. There it is, guys. That's one side. Got some amps in the back. Here's the other side. Personally, my favorite side. Fuck yeah. All right, here you guys go. A little walk around of the brand new wrap. And the Astro. We'll get Craig's way. Looks way better. This is my favorite side. I wish almost I made this side the same, but looks good overall to me, no matter what. Hey, can you pop the back? 80,000 watts. And we're not lying because there it is. 80,000 watts. All the capacitors. We just got some more carpet back here. Go. That's the real deal right there. 80,000 watts. Coming to lanes near you. Man, it's been a long time coming. We were super excited. I can't get a smile off my face right now. Just from what this looked like just a week ago. And all the hours put in. Every blood, sweat, and tear in this thing is so awesome. We obviously have more to do on the interior still, but we're loaded up. We're gonna go out to Race Wars in a couple days. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be real awesome. $300 van, now it's doing crazy stuff. There she goes. She's a driver. All of 10 miles an hour driver.
DV drag racing qualifying rounds. Lane 1. Team Astro and Base.
Ready?
Super Street 3 to 4 class. Competitors stand by.
Alright, watch screen for your start.
Ready. Set. Go.
Reading. Still got 20 seconds. You got time. You got time.
Turn it off and then back on again.
Alright, you got 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Time.
Alright, for those of you in lane. Yeah, we got it. This is not working. 3 and 4.
I saw a 60. No screens. Yeah. I saw a 68. Did you? 68 and the kick. 68 and the kick.